video, you will see the difference in speed between a hard drive and an SSD drive. This iMac is a 2015 4K Retina 3.1 GHz. This iMac came with 1TB 5400 RPM hard drive. I upgraded to 1TB SSD. I did the upgrade myself. If you want to learn how to upgrade your iMac to an SSD, I will leave the link in the description below. On the left side, we have the iMac with the hard drive before the upgrade, and on the right side, we have the same iMac after the upgrade, running on the SSD drive. We're going to start with booting time. Let's turn them on at the same time in 3, 2, 1. I am not going to fast forward this video so you can have a clear idea on the difference that the SSD drive makes on any computer. Wow, the SSD is ready for the password. It only took 17.1 seconds. Let's wait for the hard drive to finish loading. "57 seconds. There is a difference of 40 seconds. The SSD is 3 times faster. I put my password on both computers. I'm about to press enter in 3, 2, 1. SSD is the winner. I wanted this test to be as fair as possible. I restored both drives to factory settings, and both have a fresh copy of Catalina 10.15.5. Okay, let's start opening Safari in 3, 2, 1. The hard drive was a little bit faster to open, but the SSD loaded faster. I will say that this was a 50-50. I am going to give a point to each of them. Now let's open mail. SSD faster. Let's close these and open messages. Again, SSD is the winner. Now let's open maps. Exactly the same time to open. The next one is photos. SSD wins. Now contacts. Again, SSD wins. Calendar. SSD was half second faster. Reminders. Again, SSD half second faster. Notes. SSD wins. Music. The SSD is clearly the winner. Now let's open iTunes. It took 9.01 seconds to open on the SSD. $21 on the hard drive. The next one is TV. Way faster on the SSD. News. Again, the SSD wins. App Store. They loaded at the same time. Very good on the hard drive. System preferences. Same time. Very good. And now Final Cut Pro. $7.2 seconds on the SSD. $38 on the hard drive. Apps that are heavier and put more stress on the system are the ones that load way faster on the SSD. This will make a huge difference on speed when working with Final Cut Pro, Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, or any other app that requires faster writing speeds on the disk. Okay, let's close all of these windows, and for the next step, I am going to copy 6.27 gigabytes from my USB and we will see who the winner is. In 3, 2, 1. Three minutes and 45 seconds on the SSD, and 3 minutes 48 seconds on the hard drive. I am impressed. The hard drive did a very good job on this test. Okay, the conclusion is that the SSD will improve your computer speed by 3 or 4 times. If you're planning on upgrading to an SSD, you should stop thinking about it and do the upgrade today. Your computer will run like new and you will appreciate the speed. If you liked this video, click the like button and subscribe.